Alright guys, welcome back. We're gonna do a little editing tutorial here today. Recently put out this post with the recent project with Turo. It was a super fun project to be riding around in this Ford Bronco. But this was the end result. I'll show you guys the swipes on Instagram, but we're gonna try to recreate this or something close to it. So I have Photoshop opened here, and we're gonna go to new. I have a custom preset for new projects, so this gives me the 10 slides that you can get on an Instagram carousel post. So I'm gonna be using this one, and brings it up. And then what you do to get the swipes to make sure that they're all even, you go to view, guides, new guide layout, and then this should be good, number 10, and it should fit them all perfectly. So that way you have your guide set up, and then I'm gonna go to my folder. This is all the edits that I have already ready to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with just a simple starter shot, nothing too crazy here. Get that set up, lock that into the guide, and we're good to go for that one. Then we're gonna bring some more landscapes in for the majority of this tutorial. So I love this shot with the snow on the logo on the side there. I'm just gonna keep it at that. Let me see if I might actually extend that a little bit. Alright, so we'll start with that, and then let's see, what was the next one? I'm gonna go back for reference here. Alright, so we're gonna pull this one up with the headlamp there, or the headlight, and I'm gonna overlap it so we can get that little, that that blended swipe, make it fairly seamless as we're swiping through them. And so what I'm gonna do for this is I'm gonna make a mask on this layer, and then go to my brush tool and make sure that you have the opacity at 100 and flow at 100, smoothing at 0, and that's gonna help make it a nice smooth blend. And then I'm just gonna brush over. We're gonna go to black, make sure the black, and then just slowly blend it in. Get that hard edge off the side there, and just like that, you have your blend. Pretty straightforward. Really just takes a lot of messing around and seeing what works best with the photos that you have. But we'll bring in the next one and take it from here. Probably will end up fast forwarding through quite a bit of this, but if I have anything come up, I'll chime in here. Again, taking this layer, masking, we have the black selected now, so it should be easy. You want to be careful with not going too far off to erase the original. See, I'm still getting some of that hard cut, so Command Z will help make sure the mask is there. And then you can also go back to white if you are getting that hard cut there on the edge to bring back the original image. So not exactly what I had there in the first place, but for time's sake, I'm going to just wrap it up with a final photo and then show you guys how I will export this. Alright, cool. So close to what we had. I think there was just a little extra spacing in there, but now to make sure that you get these slides cut the way you want, you're gonna go to your slice tool. If you don't see it, it should be by your crop tool, and then go down to slice. Slices from guides will give you your 10 slides there. Then you go to export, save for web, and then you can zoom out here, see all your 10 slides, and make sure you select all 10 of those. I will export them as a JPEG, 100 quality. The rest should all be good to go, and then save, and save it where you choose. And then you should have your slides all ready to go for Instagram. Alright guys, hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them below. And if you have anything else that you'd like me to cover, would love to hear what you guys are interested in. Also, if you guys can like this, subscribe for more channels. Hoping to be putting out at least one video a week in 2024, so stay tuned for what's coming your way.